Morning class. We have starting a new session on this academic situation. That time we have going on a crucial situation. So we can study on our new platform is a digital platform. Starting with your 10th class science with the base of our basis. We have started with the base of our science and the topic is called human body. All of you know that two types of organism present on the world is living organism and non-living. I'm just repeat the two types of organism are available, या material available on the world, on the earth is living or non-living. Non-living organism we can say just like land, river, mountain and much more, etc. What is the definition between living or non-living organism? In living organism we says all type of organism are present on the earth. The definition between living or non-living organism, the material या organism do biological process that the organism is called living organism. The living organism definition is known as biological process will be done by a organism is called living organism. In this living organism biological process we can provide much more organism in the world, in the earth. And non-living organism have not any biological process. This is the main definition is living organism or non-living organism. But sometimes the definition will be says which object is not moving is called non-living. Not. It is not a criteria moving or not depending on the moving or not moving because plant are not movable objects on the earth but they are countable in living organism. Okay, what the criteria we can decide the living and non-living organism? First we can say the biological process will be done in the organism is called living organism. And no biological process will be done in any organism is called non-living organism. Any organism will be developed, we can study in the last classes, 9th class. The main important thing is called cells. The cell is the base of any organism of in structure on the earth is called cell. Cell definition: smallest part of structural and functional unit. Cell is the smallest part of functional and structural unit is called cell. What is the meaning of two words structural and functional? Structural and functional. Structure is the main objects that made a fixed structure is the definition of structure. is made of fixed structure, just like we have a choke. A choke have a fixed structure, is cylindrical. So we known as that cylindrical white part of the used in the writing is called choke. That time the made a fixed structure, the human body is called structural. And the meaning of functional unit, that done all biological functions is called functional unit. Is that mean there are so much function in our organism? There are so much function in the organism. We have well known about some function are there. Digestive system. Second one is called reproductive system. Third one is called skeleton system. There are much more systems are available on our organism. That is called functional. The definition of the cell, the smallest part of organism which has structural and functional unit is called cell. Cell is the meaning of structure. It are made of fixed structure of any organism, and functional in the meaning that do a biological process or functional in any organism. There are many functions are available. We can study it further, but that time we are studying it so known too much about this digestive, reproductive, and skeletal system. Cell. When cells make a human body, when cells make a big organism, it can be make another step of body. The same cells made a structure is known tissue. The tissue. The definition of tissue is the same cells made a big structure compared to cell. Tissue is the definition. Same cells made a big structure for same cells is called tissue. The same tissue made structure is known as organs. That the step is made of human body and organism. First smallest part is called cells. Same cells made a structure is called tissue. Same tissue made a structure of organs, and same organs, a different type of organs made a structure is called human body. The same implement in animals and same implement of humans. So we can repeat a little more part of that. In Earth, the two type of organisms are available: living or non-living organism. Living organism, the definition that the organism done their biological process, just like reproduction, respiration, circulation, skeletal system, central nervous system, and respiratory system, the circulatory system, other system are can done by an organism is called living organism. And non-living organism, they have no any type of biological process. The base structure of any organism is developed by the smallest part structure is known cell. Cell is the smallest part of structural and functional unit of any organism. The cell is the smallest part of structural and functional unit of organism. In the behalf of structure, the cells, same cells made a structure is known as tissue. Same tissue made a structure is known as organs, and organs made a structure is called human body या organic system. Okay? Organ systems. That is the base of our human या organism structure. On that, there are two types of living organisms. There are two types of living organisms present. Two types of organisms present on earth on the basis of cell. There are two types of organisms present on earth on the basis of cells is known as unicellular and multicellular. On the basis of cells, there are two types of organisms present on the world. Earth is known as unicellular and multicellular. What is the definition of unicellular? He says unicellular मतलब single cell. Single cells presence. And multicellular is the definition. Multi cells presence. It is the basic definition of unicellular and multicellular. Okay, which says human cells are two types of organism present on the earth basis of cell is called unicellular and multicellular. Well, the basic definition are single cells presence is known as unicellular. Multiple cells present is called multicellular. Example: amoeba, hydra, and much more. And is that all type of plant and animals. All type of plant and animals is known as multicellular. But on the basic definition, we know the single cell and multiple cells presence is unicellular and multicellular. But we have studied in the 10th class, we have a strong definition from that point. We know as unicellular organism which unicellular the organism which is done their all function by single cell is known as unicellular. Okay, complete my definition. I will just repeat the definition on my side. Unicellular is definition in mean the which organism done their old function by a single cell is known as unicellular. And multicellular is the meaning that बोलो हैं क्या नहीं हो and multicellular meaning which organism done their all function by different cells. Says which organism done their all function by different cell is known as multicellular. I'm just repeating again. On the basis of cell, there are two types of organisms present in the earth, is unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular being the basic definition in that there are presence of single cell is called unicellular. Example is amoeba, hydra. Multicellular, the multiple cells present on the organism is called multicellular, all type of plants and animals. But we are studying in the 10th class, we have a strong definition. Definition is that the which organism done their all function by a single cell is called unicellular. It's called unicellular. Which organism done their all function by different cells is called multicellular. On that basis, what the meaning of functions? What the meaning of function? You are known about the unicellular and multicellular. There are many types of function present in your human body. First, we know as respiration. We know as respiration. What is the meaning of respiration? On the basis that we well known about respiration. The definition is on the basis we take inhale, we take oxygen gas and extract carbon dioxide. Respiration in the meaning we take oxygen and extract the carbon dioxide. Second is known as that is digestive system. The meaning is that digestive system. D system. The digestive system meaning we take food and getting energy. We take food and getting energy is known as digestive system. And second one is known as circulation. C circulated system is meaning that in this we have including our heart and blood. Fourth one is the reproductive system. We combine in that male and female systems. We have already studied a four-type structure is called respiration is intact in the meaning of that we take intact oxygen and extract carbon dioxide. Second one is called digestive system. We take the food and getting from the energy from the food is known system is a digestive system. We elaborate that system into the next step. A third one is called circulatory system is the meaning we take including a heart and blood is the meaning that our heart pumping the blood in our body and what the function of our blood. Fourth one is called reproductive system. Reproductive system is the system which can generate a new offspring. Reproductive system is the system which can generate or produce a new offspring. The male and female parts are available in reproductive system. Fifth one is called excretory system. Is the meaning we extract toxic material in our body. We extract the toxic material in our body via different path. We extract toxic material via in our body with a different path. Next one is called known as CNS. CNS is known as Central Nervous System. We known as central nervous system. We including in the system brain and spinal cord. Okay, we have studied that. We have just repeated all the topic. The human organism are available on the earth is known as living organism and non-living. Living organism done their biological process and non-living is not done their non-biological process. On the behalf of organism, the basic structural function unit is called cell. Same cells can mega structure is called tissue. Tissue mega structure is called organs. Organ mega structure is called organic system. Organ system. Organ system that we have said on the basis of cell, the two type of organism presents on the earth is unicellular or multicellular. The all function done by single cell is called unicellular and the done by the multiple cell is called multicellular. There are so much systems available on our organism. It will be known as the first of them respiration. The respiration is when we take up oxygen and extract carbon dioxide. Digestive system, we take the food and getting from energy from the food. Circulatory system. Circulatory system in the circulation, the different material in our body just like energy, minerals, but anything else is done by the heart and the blood. Reproductive system is the generated of offspring, a new offspring by the male and female system. And this last fifth one is called excretory system that extract the toxic material in our body by different pathway. And next one is called central nervous system. It's called central CNS, including with the brain and spinal cord. So that the basic structure we can study in the morning. Next day for a new system. Okay, thank you.